Hey everyone, I am here with Daniel. If you don't know who Daniel is, then you suck. No, anyway, Daniel has been a model on my channel here for many, many years. He's a great guy. Thank you, Daniel, for coming here once again. And today we're going to be doing a video that's focused a little more on styling, the haircut process as it's growing out, and a number of things that you all seem to be interested in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to spin Daniel around. So as you can see right now, his hair is, some might say, perfect, right? It's got a perfect length. Keep turning here, but in through here, he needs a haircut, right? It's grown out, and he hasn't had it cut in some time, and he's due for a haircut. But some of you may think, oh my gosh, this is the perfect length. You like the more overgrown type of look. So, what would you do in this situation? How do you style the hair from this point on? And here especially, right? Here is where you can see the layering process. Now, I didn't cut Daniel's hair last time, but what I do want to do is do a quick little analysis, because usually what I do is I can look at I can look at the hair, right? And I can tell if there's something going on. And usually if it's uneven or unbalanced, or if it's perfect, I'm able to just look at someone's hair and say, something is going on, something's not going on. But what is interesting about any sort of haircut that's growing out is if you get your hair really short, if you grow it and you have perfectly straight hair, Daniel's hair is perfectly straight, you will get a layering type of flow naturally as it grows out, because as the hair gets longer, especially if you have layers, it's just going to continue to grow out in that layered shape. That's how you get like this kind of sweeping haircut. So with Daniel, we usually cut his hair fairly short. Then as it grows out, if he didn't cut his hair for like 5-6 months, it will grow out into something like this. So if you do want this type of haircut and your hair's a bit shorter, just let it grow and maybe just get it shaped up. You have to obviously find the right person to do this type of job, but at the same time, your hair may get like this at some point. If your hair is wavy or curly, you're not going to have that smooth flow like this. You'll have layers and texture, but it's not going to lay flat to your head and have a nice soft flow like Daniel's hair, because his hair, again, is perfectly straight. So let's turn, it's facing the camera now again. What I look for usually in a haircut is especially if I've never cut someone's hair before, they're coming for the first time, or if somebody actually cut it prior to me. So what I'm looking for is consistencies throughout the haircut. So I'm pulling everything straight up, and it looks fine, but I see that this is a bit longer in this corner and through here. Because to me, when I traditionally cut the hair, I'm making sure that the balance is perfectly even and through here. So we're seeing a little bit of inconsistency, and I felt that right in through here. I said, this feels a lot longer and heavier than this in through here. And I can just tell visually, I'm like, yeah, this probably is what's going on, and that's the case. So in another video of mine, which I talked about recently, and even you can see through here, the corners are very, very long, and it's just really getting shorter to longer in through here, which should not be happening, even if it's layered. What you want is this to be longer and this to be shorter in through here, so it grows out much better and doesn't look awkward, where it's like really heavy and long through here and short on top. So balance is really important. But in one of my more recent videos where I talked about how to grow out, say, a bad haircut, what you need to do is you need to pinpoint where the challenges are in that existing haircut. For example, he could be looking at his hair at home or running his fingers through it and saying, wow, it feels really short here, but here it's so heavy. You need to translate that to the next person cutting your hair so that they can look at it and go, oh yeah, well, this is really short here, but look how long this is, or that it helps them identify what's going on and what your challenge is. So when you're growing your hair out, it's something that, and if you didn't have a good haircut, it's something that you really need to take in consideration. I will be doing a video on cutting his hair with a new haircut, so don't worry, it's coming up. But today I want to focus on that and also the styling process. So what is the best hairstyle for this type of length? How do you style it? So there's a number of things. So Daniel expressed to me that, with this particular haircut, there's a tendency for the hair to just fall down like this all the time, because one, he's got silky smooth hair, which is great, but at the same time, because it's longer, it just wants to fall down like this. So the way to fix that is you need some sort of hair product, right? You need a hair product that you're going to be able to work in through the hair that's going to obviously tame the style and lock it in place so that it's not going to fall down. I get a lot of comments saying, oh, Steven, my hair falls down all the time. I can't get anything. Well, you need a product, right? You need something strong enough to hold it back. So you've got a variety of styles. If you wore it all forward like this, okay, that could work. However, to me, it's a bit heavy in through here, right? And in this area. Now, if I trim this all down and made this the focal point with this shorter, as you can see, it looks a lot better. It's a lot more narrow in through here, all right? And then I would probably just layer this lightly and add a little bit of texture. Now, you can also leave the length, but it needs to be shaped in order to have this type of look. The next thing I think for his hair, which is great, is the classic, side part. All right, the classic side part is something that will never go out of style, and he has a perfect hair for that because you can literally, even with his fingers, brush it over like this. Now, without any product, within a matter of probably 20 minutes, the hair will look like this, right? Depending on how active he is or whatever the heck he's doing. Working out, running, whatever he's doing, the hair will eventually end up looking something like this without any product in it, even if you're going over to the side. So the side part is another option. It's a great option for this type of hairstyle and hair length. The last one would probably be some sort of like pompadour or some sort of like poof or quiff right in through here where all of this is slicked back, right? So we're getting a lot of volume and then this is all brought back too. So with this hair length, believe it or not, you have a lot of options to styling your hair. Even though you may think, oh, it's grown out, you can wear it forward like this. You can do the side part like this. You could also slick it back, right? So that's why I'm saying, some of you may say like, oh my gosh, this is the perfect hair length. And with his sides being, again, his hair being very, very straight, it's so easy to just tame it down like this. It's not gonna stick out. It's not gonna get, do all sorts of crazy stuff. The hair will just lay down perfectly like this. It's gonna really, really narrow down throughout the ear area, which is great. So really, Daniel is perfect. He was made by Apple. His name is iDaniel, and no, but literally, he's also referred to as Tom Holland, right, Daniel? Mm. Everybody on the internet who's watched your videos on my channel have been like, dude, he's Tom Holland, right? Do you still get that from time to time, Vin?
Yeah, in your comments.
In my comments, right? Do you still go back and look at some of the comments from videos?
Mm-hmm. Just to see it.
Just to see. There's like hundreds, if not thousands, right, of comments of just people like, are they still commenting?
Yeah, on older videos too.
Older videos, right? Oh my God, it's crazy. Oh, well, I'm glad I helped someone's career out because I'm not going anywhere. But because of YouTube, he's big now. But no, he was a very, very popular model on my channel, and it's always great to have him. So let's talk about styling, all right? Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose a product, which is my Success Grooming Paste, all right? Again, this is the newest updated version of the prior yellow tin grooming paste. This is it. This is the one you want if you liked that yellow tin grooming paste. I'm calling this Success Paste. It comes in this box, and we have kind of a new packaging on it as well. All right, so as you can see, it's got a really cool design. We have this box for added protection during shipping, and we changed the font up a little bit on it, and it's really an incredible product. It's good for all different hair types and hair lengths, and that's why I named it Success Paste, because I want this to look like success in your hair, all right? I want you to feel good, feel confident, and be able to utilize a product that can achieve a variety of hairstyles and not have you super limited. This could be used for any type of look. It's a kind of I'd say a good solid light to medium, more of a medium hold. It provides like a very natural low shine, right? It doesn't add any shine, or it's not super matte, and it scoops out incredibly well. The reason I think it's a great product for Daniel, or this hair length, is because of how easy and user-friendly it is working it through the hair, whether we're slicking it over to the side or slicking it back. So let's do a little styling, have some styling fun here. So it scoops out very easily. Get a whiff of that, Daniel.
Smells pretty good.
Smells good, right? That's actually my new cologne. Anyway, no, I'm kidding. No, it does smell really, really good. And here is how I like to apply it. So as you can see, I mean, it's literally like butter. See that, Daniel? It's like butter, see?
Yeah.
It's real easy to scoop through the hands, and we're already done. Now, what I'm gonna do is apply it to his hair. So I like to start right throughout the front in this area, because the front is where people look at you first, right? A lot of times people will take the product and start in the back, which is great, but are you talking to people from the back of your head, right? Are you walking backwards all day? You like that? You find that funny, Daniel? I certainly am not. I'm not moonwalking everywhere I go. So to me, when you apply product throughout the front, it's really the most important part of the style. And literally, it took seconds to achieve this look. It's gonna have a nice medium textured hold, as you can see. Very, very, natural, low shine. And that's why I love this product so much, because it just gives a beautiful look to the hair, right? It's great for taming, great for styling. And this is a great option if you wanted to wear your hair with this style. And then if you wanted to go a little more back with the style, I like to apply it more towards the fingers and the palms. Then I'll work it into the palms, because I'm applying product usually with my fingers first. So let's say we want to go a little more back this way. So we can work the product back like so, and then just literally take our hands and rake it all back like this to create nice volume and texture. And this also really works well on shorter hair too. So keep in mind, I haven't cut his hair or anything, but we can get a ton of lift and volume right throughout the front there. And I think, again, it's a very, very versatile product for any of your styling needs. And yeah, this looks great. I think it's time for a haircut, Daniel. Next video, we got to do a haircut. But the key to this is how easy it is to work this product into shape and to work with it. So let me know if this is a haircut that you are very, very interested in getting, or if you have this now, and if you found this video helpful. If you use code YouTube20, that's YouTube20, you get 20% off of any product, even this one. And let me know in the comments below if you found this video helpful. Do you like this hairstyle? Is this something that your hair looks like now? Is this a product that you're interested in? Again, if the hair is very, very long, this works in beautifully well. And I'm happy with how this came out, and all of the other products too. We did a complete relaunch and remake of Clutch, Pregame, and now the Success Paste. So I think they're definitely something you should consider checking out. So thanks for watching. Thank you, Daniel, and I'll see you soon.